Hello everyone and welcome back to Discover and Learn, a platform in which you can learn English or learn to speak English easily, quickly and effortlessly. We have a lot of conversational videos, we have a lot of shadowing sessions, we have a lot of practice sessions, we have a lot of pronunciation and vocabulary sessions and lots more which will help you to improve your English fluency, your confidence and you will be able to learn to speak English fluently and confidently in no time. On that note, I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. I majorly rely on practical sessions, speak with me sessions or conversation sessions, and I use different methods, simple methods, which will help you to start speaking in English on common, general, basic, day-to-day topics. And if you start speaking on all these kind of topics, it will be much easier for you to speak in English with anyone, anywhere, anytime. Trust me on this. Well, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do quickly subscribe my channel. What are you waiting for, guys? Like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section. And don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time and free of cost. Yes, I think that's important. So guys, today I've thought of coming up with a speak with me session, which is majorly a shadowing session or repeat after me or speak with me session, in which what I'm going to do is I'm going to speak about a busy day in my life. Okay, so everybody has a busy day. I'm just talking about mine because I can speak about me only, right? And you can speak about you. So what this exercise will help you with, so I'm going to speak about my busy day. What you can do is you can either speak with me, like you can shadow with me and you together, both together, yes. Or you can repeat after me, you can pause the video and you can repeat my sentences, okay. Or what you can do is you can listen to me, take my idea and start speaking on your own. Or another thing you can do is you can listen to me, prepare your own script about your busy day and start speaking on it. See, it's so simple. You have different ways of utilizing this platform for your speaking practice. Right? You can do n number of things, and these are very common general topics. A busy day, everybody has a busy day. You can have a busy day, your family can have a busy day, anybody, your friends can have a busy day, right? It's just that you have to speak about it. Okay, and these things we always have or speak in our daily conversation. When we talk to a friend, when we talk to our friends or relatives or family or anywhere else, we go to office and discuss it with our colleagues. So probably we talk about, oh yeah, yesterday was a very busy day for me. I did this, that, so and so, right? So you talk about it. So that is why I thought of coming up with this session so that it will help you in practicing English speaking in a very effective way. So let's get started. So I'll speak each sentence very clearly and I'll pause so that you get enough time to speak with me or you can repeat after me. If not, you can pause my video. I can't take a long pause, guys, because it will be very boring for you to listen to. So that is why what you can do is after each sentence, you can pause the video and you can repeat. My sentences will be very simple, very easy to imitate, okay, or very easy to practice or repeat, okay, and it's very simple English, very simple sentences. I'll talk about a lot of other things also in detail while I'll be speaking about it. Okay, so the heading is, or the topic is, a busy day. The first sentence I'll start with is, it was a Saturday morning and I woke up at 8 a.m. It was a Saturday morning and I woke up at 8 a.m. Okay, so what you can do is you can break the sentence into two parts as well. It was a Saturday morning. I woke up at 8 a.m. Okay, so you can break it into two sentences. What I did is I clubbed these both sentences. So I said, it was a Saturday morning and I woke up at 8 a.m. or 8 o'clock, you can say. Or there's another way of saying the sentence is, It was a Saturday morning, so I woke up at 8 o'clock, which means you woke up little late, right? So this is the sense of saying this. So guys, you can take a sentence and you can speak it in different ways. I've spoken this one sentence in 3 different ways, right? And it was so easy to speak. So this is how you can start your sentence with. So this is the first sentence. Coming to the next part. I knew it was going to be a busy day, so I started planning. I knew that it was going to be a busy day, so I started planning. Or you can say, I then started planning for the day. Or you can say, I had a lot of things to do, so I started planning, right? So these are the ways you can start putting your thoughts across in different ways, right? Next, now I'll tell you in detail what I had to do, why it was a busy day for me, what all things I had to do and what I started planning to do. Okay, so that is the next sentence. I had to buy groceries. I had to get my specs repaired at the shop. Also, I had to buy stuffs and plan for my daughter's birthday. So these were the 3 things I had to do. What I have to do? I had to buy groceries. I had to get my specs repaired at the shop, and I had to buy stuffs and plan for my daughter's birthday. Right? So these were the things which I had to do apart from my daily work. Okay, here what you can do is you can start describing about what things you have to do for the day. So you can replace the sentence with your own sentence about what you had to do for the day. What are your plans for the day? Okay, I hope this is clear till here. So lots of work for me today. So lots of work for me today. Or you can say, so I'm pretty much tied up today. So I'm pretty much tied up today. Or I'm pretty much tied up with work, or I'm loaded with work today. Okay, so these are the ways you can describe this. Next, I quickly had my breakfast and tea. I quickly had my breakfast and tea. Then I went to the supermarket to buy groceries. Then I went to the supermarket to buy groceries. I came back by 11 or 11 a.m. or 11 o'clock. So I came back by 11. So what did I do? What was the chain of events? I quickly had my breakfast and tea. Then I went to the supermarket to buy groceries. I came back by 11 o'clock. What you can do is you can club these things as well. How you can say? I quickly had my breakfast and tea. And then I went to the supermarket to buy groceries. And I came back by 11 o'clock. Right? So you can club these sentences as well. Or you can separately use these sentences. Okay, you can separate these sentences as well. Whatever you wish, you can do it. I would suggest you can just simplify everything for you so that you can start speaking at least. It will be easier for you to speak and explain it to others, or others also can understand you better. So it's always better to use simple English, not complex or complicated sentences by adding and then and after or whatever. Okay, so use simple sentences. Divide it into 3 parts. That's okay. Or you can club 2 things together and separate one. Whatever you like. Like I can say, I quickly had my breakfast and tea and I went to the supermarket to buy groceries and I came by 11 o'clock. Or I was home by 11 o'clock. Next sentence is, after that I worked on my content and video sessions. After that I worked on my content and video sessions. So this is the basic work which every day I do. So when I came back home, I started working on my content and video sessions, right? You can say whatever you wanted to do or you were doing. Okay, whatever you were doing, you can just put it here. Next sentence is, by the time I finished my work, it was lunchtime, right? So by the time I finished my work, it was lunchtime, which means that I finished my work before lunchtime. Okay, or I worked till lunchtime. I worked till lunch on my videos and content. Okay, so this is what it means. I had lunch and then I went to the specs shop to get the work done. Okay, so since it was lunchtime, I had lunch and then I went to the specs shop to get the work done, to repair my glasses or to fix my glasses, right? Okay, it's very simple. I hope it's very clear To get the work done means whatever work I had, like I wanted to repair my specs, so I went to get it repaired. That was the work I wanted to get done. So I went to the specs shop to get this work done. Okay, next is finally, after getting all the work done, I went for shopping to buy stuffs for my daughter's birthday. Finally, after getting all the work done, I went for shopping to buy stuffs for my daughter's birthday. I know it is a big sentence. You can break it down as well. That's not a problem. I'll tell you how. Finally, after getting all the work done, I went for shopping. Okay. Then you can say I had to buy some stuffs for my daughter's birthday. Right? So you can break it down in 2 sentences as well, like this. Okay. Last sentence is, thankfully, I had the shopping list with me, which saved my day. Thankfully, I had the shopping list with me, which saved my day. Now, what this sentence means? This means that I had the shopping list, so I don't have to recall everything what I have to buy. So I had a list, I quickly bought everything and I didn't forget anything. Usually what happens is, if you have to recall everything, probably you might miss out on some. You come back home and then you realize, oh, I forgot to buy this. Right? This happens. So luckily I had the shopping list. So I bought every single item which I needed and I don't have to go back to buy anything again. Right? So this is what it means. So my last sentence is, thankfully I had the shopping list with me, which saved my day. Right? So this is how I describe my whole day or a busy day. What you can do is, you can also start describing your day. Whether it is a busy day or not doesn't matter. It's just that you have to speak about things, right? You have to speak about how your day was. This is how you can speak about the day, right? What you do, you just have to put everything in place. What did you do? What time you got up? Next, what you did? Where did you go? Or if you didn't go anywhere, what did you do at home? What was your routine like? If you were relaxing at home also, but still you did something, right? You had lunch, you had dinner, you slept for some time, you watched TV, you watched some series, you watched some YouTube channels, whatever you did, guys. It doesn't mean that if your day was busy or you did something on that day, then only you can talk about it. However, whatever you did, you didn't do anything also the whole day, you can talk about it. So start taking these topics and start speaking about it in a very simple way. Okay. So here also, I'll repeat again, you can speak with me like you and me together, which is shadowing, right? Next is, you can repeat after me. You can listen to each sentences. I have broken it down. I have simplified it for you. You can just pause my video. You can repeat it. Okay. And you can either take my idea and start speaking on your own, or you can add your own ideas and start speaking on your own on this topic. You can do a lot of things, guys. Start utilizing my videos to your advantage. See you until next time. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.